Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Stacy Squid Squishmallow reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and at the top of the web page you can see free shipping on orders over $75, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, that deals with Squishmallow toys including Adventure Squad, Baby Squad, Holiday Squad toys, Hug Me's, Mystery Box, Neck Pillows, Original Squad, Squish Doos, Valentine Squad, etc. So you can view the product category list by visiting the menu option button, and the prices of these offerings are affordable or cost effective. Now talking about other information, so let's check out the payment information of this website. For that guys, you need to visit the FAQ section, and here is the FAQ section. So guys, here you can read about the Squishmallows and the entire information. So guys, they have not provided any particular payment information on the website. Anyways, let's check out the shipping policy of this website. For that, you need to find out the shipping related question. So guys, here they have mentioned that due to the mandated precautions for businesses in California in response to COVID-19, orders placed from squishmallows.com will continue to be processed and shipped but may be delayed due to carrier issues. So rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience, guys. And before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So let's check out our the other information. And guys, talking about HTTPS protocol, the site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a good sign. Talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 21st of April 2017. So guys, this is 3 years old website, and this define its legitimacy. This is more than 3 years old website. So guys, we can trust on this website, and the site can be trusted. But before that, let's check out the about us information of this website. And here is the about us page. They have provided information related to the business offering, business establishment year, brand connection info, etc., which is a positive sign. Now talking about contact details, guys. So they have not provided the exact contact us page, but yes, you can connect with the customers representatives via email, or you can send your message via query form that they have provided on the website. This is the contact us way, guys. You can simply put your name, email address, order number, and you can ask your query via message box, and you need to submit the option. So this is the contact, but guys, they have not provided the complete contact details, which is a negative sign. Now talking about social media presence, at the top of the web page you can see this site has strong social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube, guys. So this is one of the biggest things, or you can say biggest point of factors that define its legitimacy. And let's check out the return policy of this website. So again, you need to find out the return policy question here. So guys, this is the section of return policy, and they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about Stacy Squishmallow reviews, we have found mixed customer reviews about the site on the internet, and we have found 4.6 rating out of 5. So this is an amazing thing. And this vector also defines its legitimacy. And one of the customers said, I love it, bigger than I expected and was delivered just fine. So this was the positive comment by a verified customer. And apart from that, we would like to inform you that the trust index score of this site is 96%, guys, which is really very good. And this defines that this particular website is popular. And yes, the site has an excellent ranking on Alexa. So guys, this site is professionally managed, and in the final conclusion, I would say this website is a legit website. Apart from that, the domain name of the site is old, which is a good point as per legitimacy factor. So guys, this is a legit website. You can give it a try. But this time, some of the Squishmallow products are not available on this website due to limited stock. But yes, you can check out the availability later, guys, and you can find your desired options by visiting the product category option. So guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. And thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.